Okay, so I made all my buttercream flowers and I put them in the freezer. It only took about, probably about 10 minutes to freeze them all. It depends on the size. The cake I only put in for 5 just to firm this up a little bit. You don't want it completely solid because you have to put the flowers in there, but the flowers, they took anywhere from 10 minutes to, maybe 20, 25 minutes most. So here they all are. So we're just gonna put, because we froze them, that means we can now pick them up. That's why freezing is really a must, because they're big flowers. I can't get them off here. They're big flowers that are now stuck to my, there we go. They're big flowers. So you want to be able to handle them. So you just peel that off and you just put it in, just like so. Okay, so we're just going to arrange these around. So because of the buttercream on the bottom, that's why they stick a little bit. So we're just going to put them around. Try not to get my red hand food coloring on my white flowers here, so make sure you wash your hand, wipe your hands off. Mine aren't quite solid because I'm here under hot lights, but you guys get the general idea. So it melts real fast here. And I made 5 of each just to make sure I had enough. But I don't think I need that many. Put that there. Okay. So I just get them put around here. I need one more of these, I think. Right here. Let me get my hands on them. Okay, and then I've got some of these buds. These are actually done with the 104. Like I showed you with the 125, but I didn't want the 104 to match the roses I had. So these can be stuck in any little spots that are still open. And then the pine cones will be accents. Get this guy. I'm trying to get them before they melt. For the most part, that looks good enough. And then I'm going to be filling in. So what I've got is I've got the pine cones, and I have a 233 tip. So this tip is like a grass tip, but we're going to be doing them really short, and then some really long ones like pine needles. So I'm actually going to pipe really long ones here where there's open spaces, because that's where I think I'm going to stick my, and then really short. That's where I'm going to stick like one of my pine cones, this open space here. So I'll put a pine cone here. And don't worry, I have other things I'm going to do. So I've got another open space here. And I'm going to stick another one of my little pine cone guys here. Let's see. This one will be good. Okay. You can get a couple of them on the inside. So here's one on the inside. There we go. Let's see, where else do we want one? And I think we want one on the inside here. So right here, looks like I crunched him a little bit. So there's lots of room right here. I also want to add some buds. So the buds are going to be the lighter green that we used for the center of the ranunculus. I'm just going to get a couple more of these pine needles in here. So we want them drooping down.